I'm going to show you how easy it is to check and add engine oil to your Mercedes. This is my daughter's Mercedes. It's a 2015 C250 Coupe. So she told me the other day she had a message that popped up about her engine oil. So I got in the vehicle and I started it up and I looked here on her dash. This is the message that popped up right here. So if you get this message right here, say check engine oil on the next refueling. So the only thing you have to do is pop the hood, and that hood is right under the steering wheel. You have to reach under there a little bit, but once you pop it, you just come to the front and slide your hand there to the left and you'll feel the latch, and you just pop it up right here. And the next thing what you want to do is pull this stem out right here, and you want to get a shop towel. Don't get nothing that has lint or anything. Just get a shop towel and clean that off. And make sure the engine has cooled for about 30 minutes to an hour. You see, that's the max and that's the min. So it's supposed to be in between that mark. So once you clean it out, you want to push it back in and leave it in there for a few seconds and check the level. And I'm going to bring this up close so you can see the level. And this oil needs changing anyway. See, it's not even, it's barely at the minimum. So it's not in between the min and max. It's nothing between it. Like I said, make sure that engine has cooled for about 30 minutes to an hour before you start doing this. And the engine oil that you need to get is right here, the synthetic oil. You could use the 0 weight 30 or 10 weight, whatever you want, but make sure it's the European full synthetic. Now what you want to do is go ahead and take this cap off. And once you take the cap off, get you a funnel. You can pick these up for a couple of dollars. Then you pour your oil in. Make sure you pour it, you're not spilling it everywhere. Just pour it right down that funnel. And only put 1 quart. Don't put too much. So once you do that, you want to check it again. First, you want to put that cap back on. Make sure you put your cap back on. And make sure it's turned all the way on. You see, right there, it's on. Next thing what you want to do is go start your engine up. And what this do is circulating the oil. So you want to start it up, let it run for about a minute or two, and then you want to shut it off. Once it runs for a couple of minutes and the oil has been circulated, you go ahead and turn it off and let it sit there for probably another minute and let the oil settle down. So once it sit there for about a minute, you want to go and pull that stem out again. Once you pull that stem out, you want to wipe it off. Then you want to put it back in. Let it sit there for a few seconds. Bring it out and check your oil level. I'm going to show you where we're at now. As you can see, that little mark is somewhere in between. So that's where you want your oil level, in between the min and max. So I'm going to wipe that off one more time and try it again. Once we added some more oil, her light didn't come on no more. So there you go, it's at that level. And that's how easy it is to check and add engine oil. Don't add too much. You don't want to overfill this thing. But if you're having problems with your oil level going down within months, you probably want to check and see if you got a leak. And that's it. Clean everything up. Make sure there's no oil so your vehicle won't be smoking, no oil spill nowhere. And that's all you have to do. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And I will also have links in the description and up there in the drop down. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm going to leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.